Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your SIM card with T-Mobile. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your SIM card with T-Mobile, begin by gathering the necessary tools. Ensure you have your new phone ready. Locate the SIM card tray on your new device. This is usually found on the side or back of the phone. Power off both your old and new phones. Using a SIM eject tool or a paper clip, gently insert it into the small hole next to the SIM tray. This will pop the tray out. Carefully remove the SIM card from your old phone. Take a moment to examine the SIM card for any damage. Now, insert the SIM card into the tray of your new phone. Make sure it aligns correctly with the tray. Once secured, carefully slide the tray back into the phone. Power on your new device. Follow any on-screen prompts related to SIM activation. Check for signal bars to confirm the SIM is working. If you experience issues, consider restarting the phone. Should problems persist, you may need to contact T-Mobile customer service for assistance. Your SIM card transfer is now complete. Enjoy your new phone and stay connected with T-Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.